Hi, I'm Michaela from Airstream DFW. I'm here with the all-new 2022 Pottery Barn Special Edition model. So excited to show you this new trailer. It really combines Airstream's classic look with Pottery Barn's cozy, modern, and chic feel. So let's go ahead and get inside and see all of these new features. So welcome inside the Pottery Barn Special Edition model. Isn't it beautiful? We are just loving all the attention to detail, the beautiful finishes in this Airstream. It's just absolutely gorgeous and really feels like home. For the first time, Airstream has given us such a cozy vibe with their collaboration with Pottery Barn. But not only is this trailer beautiful, it's also smart. Check out this Airstream smart control system. We've only seen this system before on the classic model. This system is a touchscreen system that's going to allow you to control the lights, monitor all your systems, batteries, tanks, even customize it to your own personal modes. Below that, you're going to see your adjustable LG TV, and then we go into our dinette here. So this fabric, this upholstery just feels like bench seating, and you have this solid oak table here that's actually drops down to become a sleeping area or a lounge, and the tabletop slides for comfortable eating or working here from the table. Now, let's check out the rest of the kitchen. We have a new fridge this year. It's an 8.5 cubic foot fridge, two-way electric. Let me show you the inside, how big this thing is. Freezer, fridge. Now, as we walk this way, we actually have a 3-burner stovetop with a Venta hood. Below this, in this particular trailer, we went ahead and went to the upgraded convection microwave oven. This is going to be a microwave, convection oven, and air fryer all in one. Now, the favorite part of this kitchen is the stainless steel farmhouse sink. You have a high arch faucet as well as a custom board to cover. Gives you some extra space here to work. And if you look below, we actually have a utensil drawer here. Let me open these drawers for you. Storage here, and a utensil drawer. Airstream did a great job finding a storage in every spot, which we definitely need. And to me, this really feels like home. A pull-out trash can and a hidden away wood cutting board. So convenient to be able to use that here and tuck it away. And then above, you've got storage cabinets here and these custom beadboard cabinets. Now let's get to the best part of this Pottery Barn model, this beautiful couch. This Pottery Barn couch, the #1 question everyone's been asking me is, what is that fabric like? It is so soft and durable. It's actually made out of a stain-resistant fabric called boucle. This couch is nice and deep, awesome to seat a few different people, and it also has these hidden away storage drawers. Great big, huge drawers on rollers, easy to access. And not only did Airstream include those drawers, over here in the dinette, you actually have a whole entire other drawer that's so deep and big. So many of my customers have had great ideas of what to fill this with. Clothes, shoes, pots and pans, whatever you can think of. This couch also stops about 3 inches back, so it's really nice and easy to clean up underneath. And as you sit down, you will notice they did a great job putting this couch against Airstream's famous panoramic windows. I've closed all the blinds so you can see this beautiful Pottery Barn custom linen shades. Nice and neutral color to match everything. And if you look to this other side, we actually have a Roman shade, and this thing is great and easy to use. Just pulls right up, pulls right back down. And as you have all of these curtains closed, Just a push of a button here, turns off all the lights, and you're ready to snuggle up with the movie. Okay, let's check out this master bathroom and shower area. So first thing I want to point out is this hidden closet. It's a hanging closet. It has some great storage as well as a full-length mirror. You can see the hanging rack. And across the hall, open this door. Check out this bathroom. It has to be my favorite part. Beautiful subway tile. Amazing attention to detail. Let me just show you all the little Pottery Barn details in here. The faucet, the farm bowl sink, this beautiful round mirror, and check this out. Hidden storage back behind it. You have two beautiful custom sconces, additional storage, towel racks, toilet paper holder, and some cabinets here with some great storage space. Across the hall, you're going to have your shower. The shower actually has a custom shower head that I have never seen in Airstream before. So pretty, so special, all these little touches from Pottery Barn. Welcome to this cozy bedroom. So we've got a ton of great features back here in this bedroom. I want to show you first his and her closets on either side. Everything about this trailer is about storage. So come check these out. I'll have this open for you. So you'll see you've got a hanging rack, but also adjustable shelf. So really customize this for what your needs are. These closets are on both sides. One for him, one for her, or all for her. Now, these twin mattresses are upgraded foam, memory foam mattresses, and I know everybody is so excited to see this storage underneath the bed. So let me open these cabinets. They're actually pull-down cabinets. Part of the swag is some additional containers, Pottery Barn containers, that'll allow you to carry them inside, fill them up, and then load the Airstream up for later on. So great storage there. Let me show you under the other side of the bed. Now this is the twin option. You can also do a queen. On the twin option, this side of the bed has a little bit shorter storage, and that's because the external storage that you get in a twin size gives you the options to take your bistro table and chairs, load them up, and put them in the external storage, so they're not having to be stored inside the trailer. Now, let me show you this nightstand. You get some great storage here, a nice big drawer, and a writing table. Airstream has done such a great job giving you so many USB charging ports. You have two here on the reading lamp, as well as two on each side of the bed. Panoramic windows with those linen shades we're seeing once again, and Roman style blinds on each side. I'll point out a couple more details. There's key hooks back here, clothes hooks, however you want to use them. They've really given you some versatility on how you're using this bedroom. Now, above me, you'll repeat these cabinets. They open up and light up, so it's easy to find everything you need. So now we're outside. Can't wait to show you all of these things. So first things first, this amazing screen door really has a lot of nice Pottery Barn touches. Everyone's gonna know exactly what kind of Airstream you have. We have the Pottery Barn theme here, as well as a puppy guard down here that says always home. So precious. This is also going to include this bistro table with 2 chairs and a table. And then, of course, the all-awaited for party table that hooks to the Airstream window outside. But let me show you what I was talking about the storage for this table and chairs. If you want to walk down here, this external storage fits the bistro set perfectly. Now, right above me, you're going to have a custom Zipty awning. It's a power awning. No manual things to mess around with. Push a button, it comes right out. It has this beautiful Pottery Barn fabric. Really brings the inside of the trailer right outside. And we're so excited about that. Now, let me talk about, for all my power junkies out there, this solar package and lithium package that comes completely standard on the Pottery Barn model. You're gonna have 270 watts of solar, as well as 2 Battle-Born lithium heated batteries included with your trailer. Awesome for dry camping, awesome to give you some little extra confidence while you're out with or without power. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you'd like to see the Pottery Barn model or ask any questions, give us a call here at Airstream DFW. It's 817-882-6610. Look forward to meeting you.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions or have any recommendations on content you'd like to see, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section below. If you enjoy our content, give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from Airstream DFW.